With its broad range of high-quality probes, the air velocity and IAQ measuring instrument Testo 440 is ideal for volume flow measurements in ducts and without annoying cable clutter. For this purpose, you require, in addition to the Testo 440, an air velocity probe, for example, the 16mm vane probe with Bluetooth included temperature sensor. Thanks to the intuitive menu, configuring the measurement couldn't be easier. Select the application, set duct shape and dimensions, and enter the desired measurement type. Done. The telescope can be extended to 1 meter, and the scaling in centimeters and inches is very easily legible. You stop and start the measurement with a practical button on the probe handle. This allows the Testo 440 to be operated with just one hand. All this makes work in ducts even easier. For ducts with a larger cross-section, the telescope extension is used. This allows the air velocity probe to reach a length of up to 2 meters. The Testo 440 can be easily attached using a magnet located on the back of the instrument, leaving you with both hands free to take your measurements. If you are dealing with heavily contaminated flows or high flow velocities, a pitot tube measurement is recommended. For this measurement, the Testo 440 Delta P model has an integrated differential pressure sensor as well as a corresponding measurement menu. The volume flow is automatically calculated and is stored in the instrument. If required, on-site documentation can be created with the optional Bluetooth printer. In addition to this, measurement values can be transferred as a CFV file to a PC or laptop via the USB interface. Thanks to the intelligent calibration concept, only the probe head on the air velocity probe needs to be sent in for calibration. You can simply carry on using the instrument and the universal probe handle with another probe head. This lets you get more work done with less equipment.